Most welcome to our channel, all about art. Today, we will study an artwork. We will name this work as Eyebrow. Here, we will study that if the eyebrows are as such, then how will be the eyes below them? My dear friends, this is Mo. Let's begin. Here is our first work. If it is like this, then will not the eyes be like this? If it is like this, then it will be good if the eyes are like this. If it is that, then the expression of the eyes will obviously be like this. Just from studying the eyebrows, we can understand the figure's posture, the expression at that moment, and what is probably going on in the person's mind. An artist can obviously guess how will be the eyes just by noticing the eyebrows, isn't it? How was today's art study? If you have got some value from this video, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel to show your support. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.